This is one of my ClickBank accounts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can make your first $1,000 a day. So I know like a lot of people think it's really hard to get $1,000 a day, but I'm going to show you the real science behind it, how you guys can able to achieve $1,000 a day. Okay, so basically I'm gonna break down the math so you guys understand how simple it is to make $1,000 a day. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure to watch till the end so you can understand better. So our goal is to make $1,000 a day with ClickBank using Facebook ads, right? So that's our goal, how to achieve $1,000 a day with ClickBank using Facebook ads. I'm going to show you how you can, and almost everybody can able to achieve if you understand the maths behind it. Okay, so a lot of people said like it's impossible how you can able to achieve $1,000 in a sale with ClickBank. I'm gonna just break down the maths, and the moment you watch that video and you understand how I'm going to break down the maths, you will automatically know how easy it is to achieve the sales. All you need to do is understand the maths. That's the only thing. The moment you understand the maths, you will automatically understand how easy it is to achieve $1,000 a day in sales. Let's get started. So there are going to be basically three things in this maths to achieving $1,000 a day with Facebook. So number one thing is going to be average order value, AOV. Second is going to be CAC. Quickly I'm going to explain, and how much sales we need to get $1,000 in sales. Okay, I'm going to explain these three things. I'm going to break down, and the moment I break down, you will automatically understand how easy it is to get $1,000 in a sales. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now let's go. I'm going to explain the maths, understand the maths. So number one thing is going to be average order value. AOV means average order value. So first, quickly, I'm going to explain what exactly average order value is and how you know what's your average order value. So right now we don't have a brand or product, so ClickBank will automatically provide us average order value. So quickly, I'm going to explain what exactly average order value is. So for example, person one spends $250, person two spends, for example, $210 buy supplements, third person spends, for example, $85, and the fourth person spends, for example, like $280. This is for an example. Okay, so these different people, four different people spend four different type of money to buy the supplements. This person buy, for example, 6 bottles. This person buy 3 bottles plus one upsell. This person buy only 3 bottles. This person buy only 1 bottle. Okay, worth of supplements. Okay, so these are four different people buy 4 different packages, and you guys can see 4 different kind of revenue we've generated. Okay, so now we need average order value. So what we are going to do, we are going to plus all the revenue. We are going to plus this and divide by, because there is only 1 2 3 4 customers, we are going to plus this revenue and divide by these 4, and the numbers comes out is going to be our average order value. It means average that person spends 160 on our supplements to buy our supplements. Okay, so that's the basic concept to get out the average order value. Okay, because that's not our own brand. So if you scroll down, you guys can see like ClickBank, and you guys can see average, you call it conversion or like commission. It's going to be our average order value. Okay, that is going to be our average order value. The higher the average order value is, the more profitable you are, because you are able to spend more money on Facebook ads to acquire a customer. So example, so right now you guys can see that's one offer that gives us $167 average commission. That is the offer, gives us $160 average commission. Average commission means like our average order values, means at least that person gives us $160. Okay, so you understand, like not everyone is giving you $160. It means someone spent $280, $250, someone spent $250, someone like going to spend like $85 only. But at the end of the day, if you got like 10-20 sales, the moment you get the average order value, average sale is going to be $160. Okay, so keep in mind, we have to, this number is very important, because based on this number we are going to spend money on ads to acquire a customer. Okay, let's go. So right now we have like $160, so we can easily spend $150 up to acquire a sale, and still we are able to $10 profitable, just for an example. Now let's go. I'm going to show you what's the next important thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, so the next thing is going to be CAC. What is mean by CAC? CAC is known as customer acquisition cost. Okay, so if you go to Facebook will show you like cost per result or per purchase is like $75 or things like this. So this is the number you can't able to control. Remember, you guys can see it's almost $75 per purchase. You can't able to control this number. You can improve this number, but you can't able to control. For example, if you want this numbers comes like $20 or $30, it can't be possible. Okay, so how this number calculate? Again, like an average order value, the more sales you're getting and less spend, this number will go down. Okay, this number will go down if you're spending, if you're getting more sales and less, for example, less spending, this number will automatically go down. And the more less this number is, the more cheapest purchase you'll get, the more profitable you are. It means like you're spending $20, $50, $80 to get a sale. But right now, for example, because if you genuinely start running the campaigns, you will see between $70 up to $90 per purchase. So it's just for an example purpose, I am just assuming like $75 average number, so you can able to spend $75 on Facebook ads to acquire one affiliate offer sale. Okay, simple as that. That's the simplicity. And then normally you will also able to see like $75 up to $100 commission spent on ads, and you will get one sale. Okay, so that's a normal customer acquisition cost for in United States if you're promoting any kind of supplement. So that's the number you will spend and you will get one sale. So that's the average. So for simplicity, I'm going with, like, for example, we are spending $75 and we get $160 sale. Okay, so right now you guys can see our average order value is 160, means if we got a sale, we almost making $160. Second, our CAC, means customer acquisition cost, is almost $75 average. You will see I told you like $75 up to $90. So I just go into the middle, like $75 you spend, you get one sale. So now, because our goal is to make $1,000 a day, 160 multiplied by 6 sales, almost $1,000. 960 means almost $1,000 you hit. All you need is 6 sales. Okay, you need 6 sales in a day to acquire $1,000 a day. And now listen, 6 people, it's easy to possible, because a lot of people think we have to find like hundreds and thousands of people to get $1,000 a day. No, you need only 6 people to make $1,000 a day. Simple as that. There's no rocket science. There's nothing. Just get 6 sales in a day, and you're going to make $1,000 a day. And you know, like 6 people is not that hard on the internet to acquire a sale, right? Now, second thing is how much money you need to spend to get this 6 sales, because our customer acquisition cost, you guys can see, is $75. So what we are going to do is $75 multiplied by 6 sales. You have to spend $450 on ads with the right way and strategy to get $1,000 in revenue. So it means you are in your home, you are in your bedroom, and you're just running ads on Facebook, but you need to understand how to run ads. Understand the creatives, and you call it the combination. If you know this, you can easily double your money while on your bedroom. If you just playing games or anything, if you understand this, you can double your money. You can also able to spend 10,000 and get back 20,000. Definitely it requires more effort, but the simplicity is they will definitely double your money. Okay, so all you need to spend that much, 415 a day, to get 1,000 back. Simple as that. Okay, but you have to understand the maths, and second, you must know like how the whole system works. That's important thing, definitely. So now I hope you guys understand like how you guys go and able to achieve $1,000 a day. You need only 6 sales in a day, and you have to that much, like almost $500 spent on Facebook ads to get $1,000 in sales based on that customer acquisition cost. Definitely this customer acquisition cost sometimes goes high, sometimes goes low. It depends on your creativity. Sometimes the competition is high, it goes up, sometimes it goes low. So to be honest, it depends. I'm not saying like all the time you see like $75 customer acquisition cost. Sometimes I told you like $50 up to $100, $75, $120. It goes up and down. So how you can improve this based on your creativity, based on your landing pages, based on conversion rate optimization, you can improve it, but you can't control it. Remember that. Okay, so now that's the understanding how you can able to achieve $1,000 a day. Now I'm gonna explain Facebook ads a little bit so you guys understand better. So while you guys are running ad, you have to keep in mind it's pretty much normal, because there are some very important thing. A lot of people think they are doing mistake, but they are not doing mistake. They are getting panic, and because of their panic, they lose money. Let's go. I'm going to explain. Okay, so now I'm going to explain like Facebook ads. So I'm going to explain very simplicity. So for example, you're running one campaign. In that one campaign, you're running 4 to 5 ad sets. It depends, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ad set, 5 ads. And in the same time, you're spending money on ads. Okay, so right now you're spending money on ads. So for example, your one ad set spend like $35 plus, second is $42, $65, $18, $88. So first thing is what I assume, Like a lot of people, for example, it's already I spend a lot of money. Just for an example to show you, some people just spend 20, $15 and they just get panicked the moment they spend more than $100, literally $100 plus spend. People get panic and they say we are not getting sales, and they pause it, and they're going to lose money, and they restart again they do the exactly same mistake again, spend $100, and they said like we are not getting sales. Okay, so again $100+ the moment people get like spending, a lot of people, they get panic and they get literally pause the campaign. Panic is the word. Like a lot of people say we are losing money, we are not getting sales, and that is the time you don't have to pause the campaign, you just keep running it. Honestly, you don't have, if you just understanding all the basics and you already got 1-2 sales before, you don't have to do anything, you just keep running. Okay, just keep running, don't get panic. Okay, so right now, for example, if you spend like 35, 42, this much money, what will happen, what kind of realistically you guys can see the results, to be honest. So first thing is, if you spend that much, because I know like a lot of people spend only 15, $20 and they get panicked, they pause it. Okay, but if you spend, for example, that much with the right way, definitely you need to understand affiliate marketing. Without that you can't. But what is the realistic results you can't you will able to see is ad set number 1 will got 0 sales, ad set 2 got 1 sale, 0 sales, 0 sales, 1 sale, or maybe 2 or 1 sale you will get from these 5 ad sets. Okay, and in that time a lot of people say okay, we are losing money, or like you're in break even, or maybe you're slightly profitable, it depends. So a lot of people get panicked in this situation, so they are not getting sales, and it's pretty much normal. Like your every ad set is not gonna make you money, or if that make you money, most likely it's not going to be profitable. Okay, so you have to find it. Okay, for example, right now normally what happen while I running, you will find 1 or 2 ad sets if you're running multiple ad sets that get you sale. So what happen is, like for example, $160 our average commission, I'm gonna take that, so I got 2 sales, it means $320 worth of revenue I've generated. Okay, so we generated almost $320 because we got 2 sales. Okay, so sometimes you will get 1 sale, so it depends, sometimes get 3 sales, 1 sale, 2 sales, it totally depends. Okay, so just for an example, realistically you will see 1 or 2 sales while you're spending that with the right way, to be honest, and you'll see like this 2 or 3 ad sets, 3 ad sets, 4 ad sets maybe not got sales. So what you need to do is, a lot of people get panic is the word. Like a lot of people get panic, they say we are losing money, and it's pretty much normal, because first you find that one combination that works and get you sale, and the second one also get you sale. So all you need to do is pause it. 1, 2 and 3 campaigns, you have to pause it and keep running these 1 and 2. And next step is, you don't have to just keep running these 2, you have to do one more thing at the same time. You create new 3 ad sets, or 2 or 3 or 4 new ad sets. It depends on your budget, how much you're spending, it totally depends. You have to create 2 or 3 or 4 at the same time while you're pausing it. So what happened is, like from that 4 or that 3, you will find another 1 or 2 ad set. Okay, and in the same way you are finding the winning combination. Still, I'm not saying like every ad set is going to be giving you more profit, but a lot of ad set will keep giving you profit. All you need to do is, don't increase the budget. Okay, a lot of people get 1 sale or 2 sale in ad set, they just increase the budget. How to scale? Don't scale it, just keep running it at the same budget, just keep running it, and you will automatically get profitable. A lot of people get 1 sale or 2 sale in one ad set, they are just trying to increase the budget, they are just trying to duplicate it, trying to do a lot of things. That is the thing, you're just trying to touching that ad set, that's why you're going in loss. Once you got the sale, just keep running it, don't touch it, don't touch anything, just keep creating new ad set, but don't touch this ad set which got you sale. Just keep running it. If you're spending $20 a day, just keep running it, and you will see in the next 3 to 5 days again you get the sale. Still you will profitable in that ad set. Okay, so you have to, don't touch anything on the ad set that got you sale. Okay, now next is, for example, if you just combine this is almost $248 $49. So just right now we just spent $250, and average we got like 2 sales, $160 each sale, so it's going to be $320 revenue. So right now we are in $70 profit. Okay, so right now you guys can see we are in $70 profit. I know it's not a good profit, but it's a good start. Even if you are in break even, like you spend $250, you get back $250, or maybe you get back $240, still it's a good start. The reason is you at least find 1 or 2 ad set that is give you sale. You keep running it, they will give you more sale, and the money you spend on these ad sets, those ad set got failed, you already get back the money in here. You got the revenue. It means the money you spend on ads, you get back in your pocket. ClickBank will send you in 7 to 14 days. Again, you have that exactly same money, and again you launch 3 more ad sets, again you will find 1 or 2 more. Okay, and the second time you get sales, you're going to be profitable. Simple as that. Okay, but what a lot of people do, first, a lot of people get panicked, they pause the campaign before $100 spent. Second, if they got 1-2 sales, they are just trying to scale it. Don't scale it, don't touch it, don't increase the budget, don't do anything, just keep running it. And the ad sets that you pause, in the same time, create 3 to 4 more ad set at the same time, and you'll start seeing the circle is going on and on. So don't get panicked. The main thing, and to be very honest, panic is a thing that a lot of people do because they said they are losing money. You are not losing money, you're getting data, or second, you're learning. These are the 2 things you're doing. You'll never ever get basically lose money while you're running ads, because if you're running ads, you're learning or you're getting data, because in the next time you're learning or next time you're launching the new campaign, you will automatically know what's going to happen. All you need to do is spend more so you have more experience and more knowledge. Hope you guys understand. So that's the Facebook ads part, and the most important one is I also explain the science behind to achieve $1,000 a day. So based on like average order value, CAC, and like how much sales you need to get $1,000 a day. Definitely every product gives you different kind of average commission, means average order value. So both based on that, you can calculate these 3 things like average order value, CAC, and how much sales you need to achieve $1,000 in day in sales. Okay, so based on that, you can achieve it. Okay, so last thing is I also launch a school community. First link in the description. You guys can go and join if you want to learn everything step by step. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comment below and I will answer you. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next